Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make bone broth soup at home using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 to 3 pounds of bones, like beef marrow or chicken. We'll also add 1 onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks for flavor. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. It helps draw out nutrients. Finally, ensure you have enough cold water to cover everything by about 1 inch. Now, let's prepare our ingredients. For a deeper flavor, roast your bones at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Once roasted, transfer them to a large stock pot or slow cooker, adding your vegetables. Pour in the cold water and apple cider vinegar, making sure all ingredients are fully submerged. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a very low simmer. The key to great bone broth is patience. Chicken bone broth should simmer for at least 12 to 24 hours. For beef bone broth, aim for a longer cook time, typically 24 to 48 hours. During the first hour, gently skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface to ensure a clear broth. Always maintain a very low, consistent heat throughout the entire cooking process. Once your broth has simmered for the appropriate time, it's ready for the final steps. Carefully strain the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth, discarding all the solids. You'll be left with a beautiful, clear, golden liquid. It's crucial to let the broth cool completely before transferring it into airtight containers. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days or freeze it for several months of enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.